Hello, this is Ahmed Mustafa Siddiq from Data Science Department, bearing roll number 34. From today, our mass AIT2 topic is parabolic equation. Today, we are going to totally discuss about parabolic equations, their types, everything. What is a parabola? Parabola is a curve where any point is at an equal distance from a fixed point called focus, where focus is denoted by a capital F letter, a fixed straight line directrix, and a fixed straight line called directrix. It is a conic section formed by intersecting a cone with a plane parallel to its sides. So a parabola have two main things. One is focus and its directrix, which is a straight line. There are four types of equations in parabola. Standard equations of parabolas are y square is equal to 4x, which is opens right. We can see in the image, first image, which opens in the right. Second, we have y square is equal to minus 4x, which opens on the left. And we have x square is equal to 4ay, which opens upwards parabola. And fourth one, we have x square is equal to minus 4ay, which opens downwards. These are the four equations, standard equations of parabola. As you can see, when there is y square, parts of parabola. Vertex, the turning point of the parabola. Focus, a point used to define the parabola. Directrix is a line perpendicular to axis of symmetry. Axis, a line passing through the vertex in focus. Lattice rectum, line segment through focus perpendicular to axis. These are the parts of parabola. As you can see, parabola is equation where we have focus and other things. Properties of parabola. Parabola is symmetric about its axis. Reflective property. Rays parallel to axis reflect to focus. Every parabola is similar to every other parabola. As you can see in the diagram, the parts of parabola are focus, which has the same distance from focus to equation, parabolic equation, and directrix to this equation. Those both are equivalent. Every parabola is similar to every parabola. Vertex form of parabola. Vertex form means which we have vertex which are h comma k, in which you can see that y is equal to a into x minus h square plus k, where h and k are the vertexes. A is greater than 0 opens upwards and a is less than 0 opens downwards, as you saw in the standard equations of parabola. And essay for identifying vertex and directrix. How to convert a standard to vertex form? Start with y is equal to x square plus bx plus c. Complete the square to convert the vertex form. This will help in graphing and understanding the transformation. As you can see in the this picture, here the x is minus 2, which we will substitute in the function f of x, then g of x. We can get vertices as x comma f of x and x comma g of x in this, and you can see this. Focus directed properties. For any point x comma y, On the parabola, distance to focus, distance to the axis used in drawing from geometric definition. For any point x, y on the parabola, distance to focus is equal to distance to directrix, used in deriving the equation from geometric definitions. Real life applications of parabolic equation are satellite dishes. Satellite dishes, car headlights, reflecting telescopes, architecture, example bridges, arches, etc. Projectile motion in physics. In physics, you can see projectile motion. These are the real applications of parabolic equations. Deriving the equation, let focus is equal to a comma 0, drag x is equal to minus a. Using distance formula, x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to x plus a. Squaring both sides leads to y square is equal to 4x. This is the derivation of the equation. As you can see, take your time to understand this equation. How to graph a parabola and open in directions. X squared is equal to 4ay. Opens upwards, x squared is equal to minus 4ay. Open downwards. These are the openings as you saw in the first papers. Example, x square is equal to 8y. Vertex origin 0, comma 0 opens upwards. A is equal to 2. As you can see, 4a is equal to 8. Sending 4 this side, you will get a is equal to focus is equal to 0, comma 2. Directrix is equal to y is equal to minus 2. Comparison with other conics. When you compare parabola with circle, both have equal distance from the center. In ellipse, sum of the distance to two focuses is constant. Parabola equal distance to focus and directrix. Hyperbola difference of distances constant. The difference of distances is constant. Reflection property. An ray parallel to the axis reflects through the focus. Any ray which is parallel to the axis always reflects through the focus, which is used in satellite dishes and solar concentrators. It's a unique property to parabola among conics. Parabola in physics. We use parabola in physics as projectile motion. Path is parabolic, horizontal and vertical motions are independent. Equation is y is equal to x tan x minus gx square by 2v square cos square theta. Engineering applications of parabolic equation are structural design of arches, water fountains, and parabolic antennas and reflectors, signal focusing sensors, etc. Solving parabola problem. How to solve a parabola problem? First, we have to identify the form of the equation. Is it is a parabola or something else? Determine vertex, focus, and directrix, which are very important. Sketch or interpreted based on given values. Sketch a graph, parabola graph, to understand in a better way. Apply properties to solve geometric or word problems. Summary. Parabola is a conic section which limits geometric properties, standard vertex, perpendiculares, etc. Strong application in physics engineering, found in natural and linear structures. Thank you.